Meta's Twitter rival, Threads, overtakes ChatGPT as fastest growing platform. Meta platform's Twitter rival, Threads, crossed 100 million sign-ups within 5 days of launch, CEO Mark Zuckerberg said on Monday, dethroning ChatGPT as the fastest growing online platform to hit the milestone. Threads has been setting records for user growth since its launch on Wednesday, with celebrities, politicians and other newsmakers joining the platform that is seen by analysts as the first serious threat to the Elon Musk-owned microblogging app. The app's sprint to 100 million users was much speedier than that of OpenAI-owned ChatGPT, which became the fastest-growing consumer application in history in January, about 2 months after its launch, according to a UBS study. Government invites bids to set up green hydrogen production facilities. The Solar Energy Corporation of India, SECI, on Monday invited bids from interested parties to set up 4.5 lakh tons per annum, LTPA, of green hydrogen, GH2, production facilities in the country under the SITE scheme. Selection of green hydrogen producers for setting up production facilities in India under the Strategic Interventions for Green Hydrogen Transition, SITE, scheme, Mode 1, Tranche I, the IFS document floated by SECI said. Dr. Reddy's migrates SAP platform entirely onto AWS. Amazon Web Services, AWS, a cloud solutions company, has announced that pharma major Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited has decided to migrate its SAP platform entirely onto it, targeting to reduce application development time by 30%. By centralizing the platform on AWS, Dr. Reddy's will accelerate the development of new healthcare applications, grow its digital platform to help the organization serve more than 1.5 billion patients by 2030 around the world, and enable healthcare providers to better track the progress of patients, AWS said. It said the Hyderabad-based pharma company has been progressively creating and migrating digital applications to AWS to automate its IT infrastructure. GST Council clears 28% tax on online gaming on full face value amount, reduces GST on food served in cinema halls. GST Council clears 28% tax on online gaming on full face value amount, West Bengal Finance Minister. The GST Council also decided to reduce the GST on food and beverages which are served at cinema halls. The new GST rate would be 5% from previous 18%, said West Bengal Finance Minister Chandrima Bhattacharya. West Bengal Finance Minister Chandrima Bhattacharya said the council has also approved the exemption of GST on import of cancer drug dinutuximab, and food for special medical purposes, FSMP, used in the treatment of rare diseases. Foxconn to pursue India plan without Vedanta, plans to apply for chip-making unit separately. In a bid to expand its operation in India, electronics giant Foxconn is planning to apply separately for setting up a semiconductor manufacturing unit in the country, the company said on Tuesday. By applying for a separate chip manufacturing unit in India, Foxconn is planning to seek benefit of incentives that India is offering under its semiconductor manufacturing policy. The company is working towards applying under the government's modified program for semiconductors and display fab ecosystem, Foxconn said in its statement. Tata Group could soon become the first Indian iPhone maker. Tata Group is closing in on an agreement to acquire Apple's supplier factory in India. The factory could be acquired by August, and once closed this will be the first time a local company will start assembling iPhones. According to news agency Bloomberg, Tata Group is looking to take over a Western Corporation factory in Karnataka. The factory has more than 10,000 employees, is valued at over $600 million and currently assembles the iPhone 14 model.